Have you ever noticed that as we get older, simple tasks like opening a jar, getting up from a chair, or carrying groceries feel a little harder than they used to? It's not just your imagination. This gradual loss of strength and muscle is a real condition, and it has a name: sarcopenia. Sarcopenia literally means poverty of flesh. It's the age-related involuntary loss of skeletal muscle mass and strength. And while it might sound like a far-off medical term, it's a process that can start as early as our 30s and significantly accelerates after the age of 60. By the time we reach our 70s and 80s, we could have lost up to half of our muscle mass. This isn't just about looking less toned. It's a critical health issue that impacts our balance, our mobility, and our overall independence. It increases our risk of falls, fractures, and can even affect our body's ability to recover from illness. But here's the good news. It's not an inevitable fate. We have a powerful say in how this story unfolds. So, why does this happen? Think of our muscles as a bustling city. In our youth, the construction crew building new muscle is working faster than the demolition crew. As we age, this balance shifts. The demolition crew starts to outpace the builders. Several factors contribute to this. First, our bodies become less efficient at turning protein into new muscle tissue, a phenomenon known as anabolic resistance. Second, hormonal changes play a big part. Levels of hormones that help build muscle, like testosterone and growth hormone, naturally decline. Finally, our lifestyles often change. We might become less active, which sends a signal to our body that these muscles are no longer essential, so it starts to decommission them. It's a classic case of use it or lose it. Let's visualize what's happening inside the muscle itself. A healthy, youthful muscle is dense with powerful, fast-twitch muscle fibers. These are the fibers responsible for quick, strong movements. But as sarcopenia sets in, these fibers shrink and die off. They're often replaced by fat and fibrous tissue. So even if your weight on the scale doesn't change much, your body composition is shifting dramatically: less functional muscle, more non-functional fat. This infiltration of fat not only weakens the muscle, but can also lead to inflammation and interfere with how your body handles sugar, increasing the risk for other chronic conditions. It's a silent transformation that undermines our strength from the inside out. The consequences of ignoring sarcopenia can be profound. It's the primary reason why so many older adults experience frailty. A simple trip can lead to a devastating fall and a hip fracture, not because of a momentary loss of balance, but because the muscles weren't strong enough to catch you or absorb the impact. This loss of strength can steal our independence, making it difficult to live alone, travel, or enjoy our favorite hobbies. Imagine not being able to play with your grandkids on the floor, tend to your garden, or even feel confident walking down a flight of stairs. Sarcopenia slowly chips away at the quality of life we've worked so hard to build. But I want to pivot from the problem to the solution, because there is so much we can do. The single most effective weapon against sarcopenia is resistance training. Now, when I say resistance training, don't just picture bodybuilders lifting massive weights. It can be anything that makes your muscles work against an opposing force. This could be lifting weights, yes, but it could also be using resistance bands, doing body weight exercises like squats and push-ups against a wall, or even water aerobics. The key is progressive overload, gradually making the exercises more challenging as you get stronger. This sends a powerful signal to your body to wake up that muscle-building machinery. 2 to 3 sessions per week is a fantastic goal. Now, you can't build a house without bricks, and you can't build muscle without protein. As we get older, our protein needs actually increase. Remember that anabolic resistance we talked about? To overcome it, we need to supply our bodies with more of the raw materials for muscle repair and growth. Experts recommend aiming for about 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. For a 150-pound person, that's roughly 80 to 110 grams of protein per day. It's also important to spread this intake throughout the day, including a good portion with each meal. Think about sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, lentils, and tofu. This combination of resistance exercise and adequate protein is the 1-2 punch that can halt and even reverse muscle loss. Beyond protein, other nutrients are crucial. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is vital for muscle function and bone health. Many older adults are deficient, so getting some safe sun exposure, eating fortified foods, or considering a supplement after talking with your doctor is a great idea. Creatine, an organic acid naturally found in muscle cells, has also been shown to enhance the effects of resistance training in older adults, helping to increase strength and muscle mass. And let's not forget omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, which can help reduce inflammation and may improve muscle protein synthesis. Nutrition is the essential partner to exercise. So, how can you start today? It's simpler than you think. Begin by incorporating more movement into your day. Take the stairs, park, farther away from the store entrance. When you're watching TV, stand up and sit down from your chair 10 times during a commercial break. That SA bodyweight squat. Find an activity you enjoy. Maybe it's a local silver sneakers class, a walking group, or following along with a gentle strength training video right here on YouTube. For your diet, start with one small change. Add a scoop of Greek yogurt to your breakfast or a handful of edamame to your salad. The journey to fighting sarcopenia isn't about a radical overhaul overnight. It's about building small, sustainable habits that will pay huge dividends for your health, your strength, and your independence for years to come. Remember, age is just a number, but strength is a choice. You have the power to stay strong, active, and independent long into your golden years. It's never too late to start building a stronger you. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on healthy aging. We love to hear from you in the comments below. What's S1 small step you'll take this week to build your strength? Stay strong and be well.